Eid al-Adha. It's not just about the amazing food, though let's be real, that's a huge part, and we'll definitely get to the biryani dreams later. At its core, this is a time of profound spiritual significance, a celebration of sacrifice, remembering Prophet Ibrahim's unwavering devotion, and fostering that deep communal connection that ties Muslims together across the globe. Think of it as the spiritual Olympics, where the gold medal is selflessness, and the opening ceremony involves a lot more prayer and a lot less Ryan Seacrest. It's a period where the entire global Muslim Ummah syncs up, a beautiful, coordinated expression of faith, charity, and yes, some seriously good feasting. So you're probably thinking, Basher, my dude, Eid is just around the corner. How do I absolutely the preparations and make this one for the books? Well, guess what? You've clicked on the digital promised land, my friend, because you are in the right place. I'm Basher Mall, and I'm here to roll out the red carpet to your most organized, meaningful, and joyous Eid al-Adha yet. We're talking a practical, step-by-step playbook, breaking down everything from the spiritual groundwork to the social niceties. No fluff, no confusion, just straight-up actionable advice. Forget fumbling through the preparations last minute or feeling like you missed out on the key spiritual beats. We're diving deep. From locking in your niyyah, your intention, super important, we'll cover that, to perfectly executing your qurbani and spreading those infectious Eid vibes, consider this your personal Eid concierge service. So grab your notebook, maybe a cup of strong chai, or your favorite prayer beads, and let's get ready to prep, pray, and celebrate like true Eid champions. This isn't just another guide, it's your all-access pass to an Eid filled with profound meaning, vibrant joy, and yes, truly incredible, unforgettable food. Alright, first things first, people. Before you even about which tailor is going to stitch up that killer new thobe or what specific cut of meat you're aiming for in the qurbani, we gotta talk niyyah. That's your intention, the spiritual compass for everything you're about to do. It's like setting your GPS before a cross-country road trip. Without it, you're just burning gas and good intentions, probably ending up at a random Buc-ee's wondering how you got there. For qurbani, for every act of worship this Eid, your intention has to be laser-focused, doing it sincerely for Allah, for the remembrance of sacrifice, for the benefit of the community. It's the spiritual Wi-Fi password. Without it, you're not connecting to the divine server, no matter how strong your signal looks. So take a genuine moment, a quiet pause amidst the pre-Eid buzz, and firmly establish that niyyah in your heart. It's the foundation, the bedrock, the secret ingredient to a truly accepted and meaningful Eid. Now let's shift gears to the practical prep. Qurbani isn't something you casually decide on Eid morning while sipping your tea, okay? This isn't a last-minute DoorDash order for a sacrificial lamb. You gotta arrange that sacrifice. This means finding a reputable butcher you trust, booking your animal or your slot, or liaising with a legitimate charity that can perform it on your behalf, especially if you're in a place where doing it yourself is tricky. And your attire? Come on now, this is Eid al-Adha. It's time to excavate your absolute best clothes from the depths of your closet, the ones that make you feel like royalty, or at least a very well-dressed and grateful servant of God. Iron that crisp shalwar kameez, polish those shoes until you can see your reflection, pick out that stunning abaya. Looking sharp isn't mere vanity, it's about respecting the sanctity of the day, feeling confident and joyful, and showing up for the celebration in your finest. Preparation is paramount, folks. Don't be that person scrambling at the 11th hour. Okay, team, alarm clocks at the ready. We're talking an early start on Eid day. Before the sun even bothers to stretch and yawn, you should be thinking about performing ghusl, the full ritual bath. This isn't your average, rushed weekday shower where you're simultaneously brushing your teeth and mentally running through your to-do list. Oh no, this is different. This is the Eid ghusl. Think of it as a spiritual car wash, a full-body, soul-deep cleanse. You're not just washing off the physical remnants of sleep. You're symbolically purifying yourself, preparing your mind, body, and spirit for the sacred activities of the day. It's like hitting a giant spiritual reset button, a sacred hydrotherapy session designed to leave you feeling utterly refreshed and renewed. This ritual bath is a beautiful sunnah, a practice of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and it sets a pristine, clean slate for all the prayers, the greetings, the feasting, and the acts of charity that will define your Eid. So don't rush through it. Take your time. As the water washes over you, make the intention for purification. Imagine it carrying away any lingering negativity, any stress, any spiritual dust bunnies that might have accumulated. The goal is to emerge feeling light, pure, invigorated, and completely ready to absorb and radiate the blessings of Eid al-Adha. It's so much more than just getting physically clean. It's about achieving a state of spiritual readiness and heightened awareness for this special day. All right, you've had your spiritual spa treatment with the ghusl. You're feeling fresh, pure, and ready to go. Now, let's talk about the Eid drip, the threads, the ensemble. Eid is unequivocally the time to unleash your inner fashion connoisseur. We're talking about your absolute best clothes, people. That spectacular outfit you've been carefully preserving for a special occasion? The one that makes you stand a little taller, smile a little wider? Yes, one. Whether it's a brand new, impeccably tailored traditional thobe or juba, a vibrant and elegant shalwar kameez, a stunning sari or abaya, or even your sharpest, most respectful Western attire, now is the time to put it on. This isn't just about superficial appearances or trying to outdo your cousins, though a little friendly competition never hurt anyone, right? It's a profound sign of respect for the sanctity of the day, a visual expression of your joy and gratitude. It's like your personal billboard announcing, I am here to celebrate Eid, I am grateful, and I came to look good doing it. Respectfully, of course. And for my brothers out there, listen up, don't, and I repeat, forget the fragrance. A little touch of attar, perfume oil, especially traditional scents like oud or musk, or even your favorite modern cologne. It's a confirmed sunnah. And let's be perfectly honest, it just elevates the entire experience. You walk into a room, you greet someone with a hug, and that pleasant scent adds an extra layer of warmth and festivity. It contributes to the overall celebratory atmosphere, makes those Eid embraces even more delightful, and shows an attention to detail that reflects your care for the occasion. So, dress your absolute best, smell fantastic, and carry yourself with that special Eid confidence and happiness. It's about embodying gratitude and joy in every facet of your presentation, right down to ensuring your well-chosen socks, hopefully, match your outfit. Don't skimp on these delightful details. Now that you're looking like a cover model for Eid Vogue and smelling like a heavenly garden, it's time for one of the absolute cornerstone events of the day, the Eid Salah, the congregational prayer. So, make your way to the local mosque, the community center, or the designated Eidgah, that large, open prayer ground often set up specifically for Eid prayers. This isn't a solo spiritual mission, folks. This is about the power of community, the Ummah in action. Just try to picture it for a moment. Thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of your brothers and sisters, all adorned in their finest Eid attire, standing shoulder to shoulder, facing the Qibla, united in prayer and devotion. It's honestly an incredibly powerful, awe-inspiring sight. It's a veritable sea of faith, a symphony of synchronized worship, and you are an integral part of that beautiful wave. The collective energy is palpable, almost electric, a shared hum of devotion, gratitude, and unity that you can feel deep in your soul. And hey, don't just perform the 2 rakas of prayer and then make a beeline for the exit like you're escaping a timeshare presentation. Stick around for the khutbah, the sermon, that the imam will deliver after the salah. This is crucial. This is where you get those vital spiritual reminders, the deeper context, the why behind the celebration of sacrifice and gratitude. The imam will often share poignant stories, offer timely advice, and help you connect even more profoundly with the core essence and lessons of Eid al-Adha. Think of it as the post-game expert analysis, but for your spiritual well-being. Absorb it, reflect on it, let it marinate. This collective experience of worship and learning is what truly amplifies the spirit of the day and recharges your spiritual batteries. It's a community power-up that you really don't want to miss. All right, the Eid Salah is complete, the khutbah has been absorbed, and your spiritual tank is feeling topped up. Now comes one of the most visibly joyful parts of Eid, spreading the love and good cheer through greetings. And listen, we're not talking about a quick mumbled hey or a polite distant nod you might give your neighbor when you're taking out the trash. No sir, we're talking full-blown, heartfelt, enthusiastic Eid greetings. The undisputed champion, the universally recognized classic of course, is Eid Mubarak, which beautifully translates to Blessed Eid or Have a Blessed Celebration. It's simple, it's effective, it gets the joyous message across instantly. It's the universal verbal handshake of Eid joy, Say it with a genuine smile that reaches your eyes. Say it with warmth. Say it with palpable enthusiasm. Say it like you truly mean it, because on this blessed day, you absolutely do. This is your prime opportunity to radiate positivity and share the happiness. But if you're looking to elevate your greeting game, to add an extra layer of spiritual depth and connection, then try incorporating Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. This beautiful phrase means, may Allah accept the good deeds from us and from you. How incredibly profound and unifying is that? It's not just a greeting, it's a sincere prayer, a heartfelt wish for the mutual acceptance of our worship, our sacrifices, our fasting from previous occasions, and all our efforts to please God. It's like saying, hey, we're all in this spiritual journey together, and I genuinely hope all your devotion and good deeds are accepted and rewarded by Allah, just as I hope mine are. It fosters an immediate sense of brotherhood, sisterhood, and shared spiritual purpose. So go out there, shake hands, where culturally appropriate, offer warm embraces to your loved ones, and let those beautiful greetings flow like a river of joy. Spread that happiness, share those blessings, and make everyone you meet feel the warmth of Eid. Now we arrive at the very heart, the spiritual epicenter of Eid al-Adha, the Qurbani, also known as Udiyah, the act of sacrifice. This powerful ritual commemorates Prophet Abraham's ultimate test of faith, his profound willingness to sacrifice his beloved son, Ishmael, in obedience to God's command, before God mercifully provided a ram as a substitute. It's a potent annual reminder for all Muslims about the essence of submission to Allah, unwavering faith, the importance of obedience even when it's difficult, and the spiritual value of giving up something precious for a greater, divine purpose. If you are performing the Qurbani yourself, or if it's being done on your behalf, understand that this is a deeply significant act of worship. It's not merely about the procurement and distribution of meat. It's fundamentally about the sincerity of your intention, niyyah, the remembrance of Allah, and the emulation of Prophet Ibrahim's devotion. This is the core ritual, the spiritual anchor that defines Eid al-Adha. So, how does the process typically unfold, especially regarding the meat? Traditionally, and in accordance with the Sunnah, the meat from the sacrificed animal, which is usually a sheep, goat, cow, or camel, depending on the region and individual capacity, is divided into 3 shares. 1/3 is designated for your own family to consume and enjoy. Another 1/3 is for sharing with your relatives, friends, and neighbors, strengthening communal bonds. And a crucial, non-negotiable 1/3 is distributed to the poor and needy, ensuring that those less fortunate can also partake in the blessings and joy of Eid. This beautiful system ensures widespread benefit and embodies the charitable spirit of Islam. Now, what if you're unable to perform the Qurbani yourself due to location, logistics, or other constraints? No problem at all. Numerous reputable Islamic charities worldwide offer Qurbani services where you can donate the cost, and they will perform the sacrifice on your behalf in communities that need it most, distributing the meat to the deserving. It's about participating wholeheartedly in the spirit of sacrifice and giving, in whatever capacity is feasible for you. Okay, the Qurbani has been performed, the meat is being shared, but hold on, Eid is far from over, my friends. In fact, this is when the broader spirit of sharing, festivity, and continuous good deeds really kicks into high gear and permeates every interaction. We're talking about sharing those absolutely delicious, mouth-watering meals, the ones you've been meticulously planning and eagerly anticipating for weeks. Open your homes wide. Extend warm invitations to family, friends, neighbors, and especially make an effort to include those who might be alone or new to the community. The joyful clatter of dishes, the symphony of laughter echoing through the house, the intoxicating aroma of biryani, korma, kebabs, and sweets is the unmistakable, heartwarming soundtrack of a vibrant Eid celebration. And remember to keep those takbirs going. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahil hamd. Recite them frequently, feel their power. It's a constant, audible reminder of God's supreme greatness and our gratitude. Beyond the incredible feasting and joyous gatherings, make sincere and heartfelt dua supplicate to Allah for yourself, for your family's well-being, for your community's prosperity, and for peace and ease for people around the world. Eid is considered a particularly auspicious time for prayers to be accepted, so pour your heart out. Make it a point to visit your relatives, especially elders. Reconnect those precious family ties, mend any strained relationships, and seek forgiveness if needed. This is the perfect occasion for strengthening bonds and fostering unity within the family. And crucially, continue to give charity, sadaqah, voluntary charity, fulfilling zakat obligations if they coincide. Whatever you can offer to support those less fortunate, do it with a generous heart. Eid isn't just a personal or familial celebration, it's about uplifting the entire community and ensuring everyone feels included and cared for. These acts of kindness, hospitality, remembrance, and generosity, whether big or small, are what make Eid truly meaningful and extend its abundant blessings far beyond your own doorstep, creating ripples of good throughout society. And there you have it, folks. Your comprehensive, no-holds-barred, Bashar Mall-approved guide to preparing for and celebrating a truly special and spiritually uplifting Eid al-Adha. But always remember, these steps, these rituals, these traditions, they're all incredibly valuable tools and guidelines. The real transformative magic of Eid, the kind that resonates deep within your soul, happens when you consciously use these tools to connect more profoundly with Allah through your worship and remembrance. Connect more lovingly with your family and friends through shared joy and quality time. And critically, connect with compassion and generosity towards those in your wider community, especially those who might be in need of a helping hand, a warm meal, or simply a kind word. It's about transforming these beautiful practices into genuine, heartfelt acts of devotion, compassion, and selfless service. So, as you go forth into the joyous days of Eid, make it a deliberate intention to reach out and share the abundance you've been blessed with. Share your infectious joy, share your bountiful table, share your time, share your resources. Pick up the phone and call that distant relative you haven't spoken to in ages. Prepare an extra plate of food and offer it to your neighbor, regardless of their background. Consider donating to a charitable cause that resonates with you, supporting those who are struggling. These are the very actions that amplify and embody the core spirit of sacrifice, empathy, and community that Eid al-Adha so beautifully represents. Let this Eid be a shining testament to your kindness, your generosity, and your unwavering commitment to making the world around you a little bit brighter, a little more compassionate. From me, Bashar Mall, and from everyone who helped put this guide together, we extend our warmest, most heartfelt wishes to you and your families for an incredibly blessed, profoundly joyful, and deeply meaningful Eid al-Adha. May your sacrifices be accepted by Allah. May your sincere prayers be answered. May your homes be filled with boundless laughter, unwavering love, and the sweet aroma of delicious food. Eid Mubarak, everyone. Now go out there, implement these tips, embrace the spirit, and make it an absolutely amazing and unforgettable celebration. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Peace out, and happy Eid.